To start the analysis process, choose the file you want to analyze. You can add multiple files or delete some of them as needed. Once loaded, you can select a curve to display the channel that corresponds to it. Multiple curves can be selected. You can also change the y-axis limits by checking the box or unchecking to restore the original values. You can display more values in the x-axis by dragging the bar or by setting specific values in the slider box to the left. Click to export the individual graphs of each channel. You can change the displayed channels by location, right, center, or left, or by their group, 3 cm, 1.5 cm, 2.12 cm, or 3.35 cm. Click Export Figure to export the figure that is currently shown. You can find additional analysis options on the right. Press on the Edit Marker button to add or change markers. You can add specific markers by pressing the plus button. Or use the Auto Marker Maker to add markers automatically. Click on the Edit Task button and click Append to add or edit tasks. Open the Signal Processing menu. Here, you can set a low-pass filter, set a high-pass filter, change the channel rejection settings, spike removal settings, or remove artifacts that were caused by motion. Once finished, press Apply to save the changes and click Run. Now, you will be able to change between raw data and optical density. Click Set to calculate the concentration. Change the settings. Click Set, then Run. You can display the activation changes for any data that went through the concentration calculation process. Now you will be able to change the HB concentration on the top right corner. Choose between MBLL or DOT and click View. You can display the brain in 3D space or show different 2D views of the brain. Drag the bar to display more values in the x-axis, or choose by specific time or frame. You can change the color map from hot to jet white to display negative values too. Select the references you want to display, or change more viewing options on the left. Click Set to determine the activation pattern and choose the concentration you would like to process. You can choose either one or both. You can use the group averaging function, select the relevant tasks, and set baseline and block period. Choose the relevant groups on the right when using the group averaging option. If needed, enable the analysis and graph option and change the settings. Enable and select additional functions here. Once you are done, set the directory for the file. Click Apply, then Run. Your file will be saved under the chosen directory. Click to set GLM and use the window to configure contrast parameter and significance level. To export the individual channels, click Export on the bottom right corner. You can change the directory under the Save Location button.